A poisoning happened at a cafe. A large amount of cyanide was found in the coffee of the victim. Detective Holmes arrived at the scene at 5:15 p.m. He measured the body temperature of the victim, Miles, which was 25 degrees Celsius. After 5 minutes, the body was 24 degrees Celsius. The normal body temperature is 36.5 degrees Celsius. The air conditioner of the room was set so that the room temperature is always at 20 degrees Celsius. At the same time, he prepared and checked the temperature of the cup of coffee, similar to what Miles drank, and found that it was 30 degrees Celsius and 29 degrees Celsius after 6 minutes. There are two suspects, Jane, his ex-girlfriend, and Clyde, his stepbrother. Both work in the cafe but have different work shifts. Clyde's shift was from 4 p.m. to 7 p.m. while Jane's shift was from 1 p.m. to 4 p.m. Miles always prefers to drink his coffee when it is only warm and usually waits for it to cool down to about 60 degrees Celsius. Considering that the coffee is served at 80 degrees Celsius and cyanide can kill a normal human within 45 minutes, who is the possible killer of Miles? Step 1. What time did Miles die? According to the given, at 36.5 degrees Celsius, time is unknown. At time 0, 25 degrees Celsius, and at time is 5, after 5 minutes, the body temperature was 24 degrees Celsius. This is a type of Newton's law of cooling. Therefore, the general equation would be like this. And first, we have to find K. We have to put the limits. When time is 0, the temperature is 25, and when time is 5, the temperature is 24, which would give us the K 1/5, ln 4/5. And then as we got K, we would be getting this equation wherein we have to find the time when the body temperature is already 36.5 degrees. Just input, just plug in, then we'll have that. Then we'll get the time. Although it is negative, it just means that it is before 5:15 p.m., which was stated as time equals 0. Therefore, Miles died at 4:48 p.m. Step 2, we have to know what time did Miles drink the coffee. Miles died at 4:48 p.m. and according to the problem, it takes 45 minutes for cyanide to kill a person. Therefore, we just subtract 45 minutes from 4:48, which would give us 4:03 p.m. Now that we have the time when Miles drank his coffee and when he died, we have to know what time the coffee was served. So, we would put 5:15 p.m. wherein the time is 0, the coffee is 30 degrees Celsius. While when it already lowered down to 29 degrees Celsius, it took 6 minutes. So we have a K 1/6 of ln 9/10. Now that we have the K, the value for K, we can now get the time when the coffee was served. So when time is 0, the coffee is 80 degrees Celsius, while when the coffee is now 60 degrees Celsius, the time is unknown. Just input the limits again, then we'll have time equals 6 ln of 2/3 divided by ln 0.9, which would give us 23.090, or we can say that it's 23 minutes. Therefore, the time is 3:40 p.m. So now finally, we can know who killed Miles. The problem stated that Clyde's shift was from 4 p.m. to 7 p.m. and Jane's shift was from 1 p.m. to 4 p.m. And we found out that the coffee was served 3:40 p.m. and he died at he drank the coffee 4:03 p.m. and he died at 4:48 p.m. Therefore, it was Jane, his ex-girlfriend, who killed him.